everyone, welcome back to It's the Little Things, and in this video I'll be unboxing this packet from Faces Canada. To be honest, I have already unpacked it because I wasn't able to wait. I am not a very patient person. So I opened it and then I repacked it in order to show you guys. So this is how I received it. This was the outer packet and I opened it from here. After I opened it, so this was the box I received. So after I remove its outer packet, this box was there, and when I opened this box, as I told you, I have already opened this box, so I tried to repack everything in order to show you. It was way better than this, but I tried my best. And once I opened this box, I received this invoice, and there was an offer going on Faces Canada, which is still there, and it says that if you buy 3 products you get 25% off, if you buy 4 products you get 30% off, and if you buy 5 products you get 35% off. So I bought these 5 products and I got 35% off. And also you get this beautiful rose gold chick pouch for free for the orders above rupees 1199 now. But when I ordered this, my total amount was rupees 1166, but still I got this one for free, so you can check it out. So first I'll open this pouch. Its name is pouch rose gold. So it's of rose gold color and it is a beautiful pouch, you can see. And on the zip here it is written Faces Canada, and once I open it, it is brown from inside. So it is a rose gold pouch and it's absolutely beautiful. Then the next product I received was this these 3 things. They were packed together, and the 2 nail paints that I ordered, that were packed separately in the same box. So first I'll be showing you this. So this one is a Faces Canada compact. Believe me, I have never used a compact, so I ordered from here. So it says SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter, and it is of 9 grams. Also on the other side the price is mentioned, that is rupees 199, but as I told you, I got it at 35% off, that is at rupees 129.35. Its shade is Ivory 01, and once I open it, it is packed inside of this another packet. This is a thermocol packing and it is well protected. It says Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compacts SPF 20 Vitamin E Shea Butter, and on the other side the price is, I guess, mentioned. Yes, so it's Ivory 01. As I open this box, it's got a mirror which is great for travel. It has a very beautiful clear mirror, and there's a puff, and the puff has logo of Faces, and the puff has been separated from the powder by this plastic sheet. So the powder as well has this logo for Faces, and everything came well protected and nothing was damaged, so I was really happy about the packaging. The next thing that I ordered from Faces Canada was this magnetized eyeshadow palette, and it says that Everyday Dramatic Eyes. Also it says that it has 6 highly pigmented shades, it's crease resistant and also velvety smooth application. This is the shade Nude Stroke 01. We also get the Color Touch 02 shade, so you can choose any shade according to your choice. So as I open this outer packaging, it is again well protected inside of this thermocol packaging. So it came out to be well protected and nothing is damaged, so I'm really happy about its packaging. Inside of this there is this cute little palette from Faces, and it is really cute. Now let's see what is inside of it. So as I open this up, the first thing I see is that it has no mirror, and it has been separated with this plastic sheet so that no color is ruined. And we also get this brush. This is a very small little cute brush. It got these 6 beautiful colors. 5 of them are glossy, and the first one is a bit matte. So you can see them clearly now. This one is a bit matte, the others are glossy. Overall, this palette has very subtle colors which you can use during the daytime. The next product is this Faces Canada eyebrow palette, and it is the Ultim Pro Get Into Shape Brow Kit. The MRP was rupees 699, but I got this one for 454 rupees, so it was quite a good deal. So once I open this packet, you get this palette, and it is absolutely beautiful and cute. You can see how cute it is. It is super small and you can carry it around easily. So you get 2 brushes with this. The first brush is this one, and the other one is the mascara brush. So this is the gel you get, and this is the pigmented color. So once you set your eyebrows with the gel, you can use this pigmented color to fill your eyebrows, and for the filling you can use this brush, and for the pigmentation and setting your eyebrows you can use this mascara brush. I also had an eyebrow palette from Nykaa, and I am in love with that palette, so I thought why not to order from Faces Canada. Also, my friend told me that she had this palette and it is super good, so I ordered this one. This is the one I have from Nykaa. It says Wow My Brow Eyebrow Palette, and it is super small and super cute. Its MRP was rupees 699, and I got this one at MRP only. There was no off, but it is worth having this palette. I am totally in love with this palette. It looks much bigger in the picture, but it is super small and super cute. You can see. It comes with this one brush, and it also has a mirror. It has 3 colors which are super good. I mix and match them and use them, and I am in love with this palette. I hope so that I'll be in love with the Faces Canada palette as well. So it is super cute. The next product that I got is these 2 nail paints, and I removed my nail paints deliberately because I want you to see how they look. The first one is this Muddy 200, and these came well protected, and this is the shade. You can see it is Muddy 200. The other one is my all-time favorite, Alter Ego, which is not available on Nykaa but is available on Faces. So it is Alter Ego number 78. So the MRP of both of these nail paint is rupees 199. So you can see it is of rupees 199 each, but I got this one for rupees 130 each. So I'll be showing you these colors. This is my favorite shade. I am in love with this shade. This is my second bottle of nail paint. You can see this shade. It is a dark muddy brown shade, and it looks good sometimes when you need to apply some darker shades. Your hand looks good in the darker shades. The other one is this, my all-time favorite, Alter Ego. So this is the color. that I got these products at 35% off. So it was a very good deal to have. But in case that deal is not there on Faces, then you can wait for some times, because ये deals आते जाते रहती है, so you never know when this deal will again be back, or you can get a better deal. So also the last thing I want to say is that the products from Faces Canada, they never disappoint me. Like they give me 100% result. If they say that it is super pigmented, then it is super pigmented. They never disappoint me. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and stay healthy, stay safe. That's all. Bye.